Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token have continued to show an increase in price in the past few days. Well, holders are actually expecting this coin to delete one or two zeros before middle of next year, 2023, before June. Now, one thing is for sure, of course, if Tectonic token goes ahead and delete two zeros, holders will be making a lot of money. I mean, about 10,000% increase in price. But before that, I think Tectonic need to get listed at least by 2 or 3 top exchanges. For now, Tectonic token is being listed by crypto.com and is also being listed by VVS Finance. It's a good one to have VVS Finance and crypto.com, but I still believe that Kucoin, Gate.io, and BKX, I mean, these guys can also do a whole lot for Tectonic token. I don't want to talk about Binance and Coinbase for now, because you know that it will be difficult for Binance and Coinbase to list Tectonic token for now, because most times Binance and Coinbase always list coin late. Even up to now, Coinbase have not listed the Lunar Classic. They actually listed it before when the fall of the Lunar Classic, they removed the Lunar Classic from their platform. So that should tell you that it's very difficult for Coinbase and Binance. But whenever they do or list any coin, of course, you'll be expecting a massive increase in price for that coin. But right now, I believe that Tectonic token need at least Kucoin, Gate.io to actually list this coin. But whenever Kucoin and Gate.io list a particular coin, then believe it, that coin always increase in price. And for you know it, Binance and Coinbase will be coming in for that coin. But we believe Tectonic token need to burn off the amount of circulating supply, because Tectonic token have over 500 trillion. So burning off about 400 trillion will be a whole lot for this coin. I know it's not going to be easy to burn 400 trillion, because burning 400 trillion will amount for Tectonic token hitting between 10,000 to 100,000 increase in price. So that is one thing Tectonic token need. But for now, Tectonic token still need to do a whole lot in order to really increase in price, and I believe that Tectonic token can introduce the platform for the burning. And with the burning of Tectonic token, of course, Tectonic token will get the attention of crypto traders, crypto investors, and also crypto exchanges to list Tectonic token. Well, the truth is, let's see what Tectonic token developers have for us before the end of December, which is going to mark their 1-year anniversary. And I believe if they can really at least do something more better, I mean, get listed by some of the few top crypto exchange, I believe next year is going to be a massive year for Tectonic token. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.